Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I will guide you through how to update CIBC Mobile Banking application on your device. For that, first of all, launch App Store. Then, go through the search icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, on the search bar, search for CIBC Mobile Banking. Now, find the app labeled with CIBC Mobile Banking and go through it. Here, if you see Update button instead of Open, that means your application needs to get updated. Simply tap on Update button, then it will take some time, then your application will be updated to the latest version. Here in my case, as you can see, there is Open button. That means I am using the latest version of this application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.